AI is incredible, but would you trust it with your biggest financial asset, your home? We all know AI is cool. It's innovative, lightning fast, and can analyze information in ways we've never seen before. It's an amazing tool, a novelty that can help us learn, plan, and strategize. But here's the truth most people don't think about. AI cannot replace human expertise. It can't walk through your home and spot the subtle details that add tens of thousands to your value. It cannot negotiate fiercely on your behalf. It cannot understand your family's needs, your timeline, your fears, or your goals. And let's be honest, is AI alive? Can you call it? Can you meet it? Can you talk to it face to face when you need guidance? Of course not. Real estate is one of the largest financial decisions you will ever make. You deserve human attention, human insight, and human expertise. Someone who knows the market, knows the process, and knows you. AI is a powerful helper, but your home, your equity, your future deserves more than a helper. It deserves a professional who can guide you confidently, protect your best interests, and fight for the results you need. If you want real expertise, not algorithms, call me Yuri Ching at 416-333-3117 today and let me help you sell fast for top dollar and buy with confidence.